So Ridge is fixing my car.
Once again.
We're having a hard time getting this little thing off. Say hi, Ridge.
Please. Oh. Talk about me.
Oh my god. Y'all, this water has damaged our car. And we just got a freaking, what do you call it? What was it called? High pressure fuel injector?
Yes.
Yeah, look at me remembering. Fuel pump. Guys, it's going like on most places. You're finding it anywhere from like $1,300 to $1,500. It's ridiculous. But we got it at a great price. And we got to make sure it's the right one. So now we're trying to put it in there.
It's the right one. This stupid thing don't want to.
See. Rich says it's the right one.
Just the old one don't want to come up.
Yeah.
Trying not to pop this wire out.
Because that will be another problem. Let's see if we'll be able to get it off. Ooh, yep, there you go. Well, you broke it? Broken. Thought it was coming off just now.
It's
Stuck.
on there.
Usually these things are the easiest to get off, but also the hardest. It's like it's supposed to have little things you squeeze on and pull, but it's never that easy for some reason. Alright, I'll let you guys know if we get it off. So we got it off. I kept saying wrench, guys. I was trying to tell him to get a wrench, but it's the pliers I was supposed to say to get it to clamp it. So we got it off, but it's already broken, so too bad. Too sad. Another thing added to the list. Nothing new. So this is what he has to change, and this is it right here. Look at this little thing, guys. Can you believe that this is going for right here? Can you believe that? Ooh, dropped one of the wrench in here. Can you believe that this is going for $1,300 to $1,500? This little thing. Oh my gosh, we need to get into the car business, car parts business. Kept my Bush mechanic. A dude literally watch YouTube videos and figure it out. Save us hundreds and thousands of dollars in what do you call it? In car repair. And I haven't even uploaded a video, guys, of the fact that we actually repaired this car ourselves. Him doing most of the work, of course, but me being the assistant. We installed airbags. What else we did, babe? Bumper. It was a lot. Like
took the seats out, put the seats back in.
Yeah, it was a lot that was done because the car, we bought it from an auction and the car had some damage. So we actually did all of that, which I'll put up. I never got around to putting up the videos because we had some issues with the GoPro that we're filming with. So we only have like partial videos and stuff, but maybe I'll get around to finally get through to that and edit it. Okay, are we getting it out? So guys, if you're having any problem getting this off, just remember, get a wrench. It's a wrench. Is it a wrench? Pliers. Oh, I'm sorry. Pliers. I keep saying a wrench. Pliers. Just get a pliers and clip these two parts right here, and you should be able to get it off. It's just hard to do it with your finger. Yay! Oh, what is that? Water or gas? Gas. So gotta be careful with that. What would you like from me? See you looking around.
this off now. It's supposed to be a release.
Trying to figure how to get that off. Let me see it. Is this the same? So on here it goes up until this thing, but this one seems shorter than this.
All of that comes off.
Oh. I'm gonna watch another video to figure that part out, how to get it off. Let me try. I'm gonna try to unscrew it and see if it works. Oh, wow, look how simple. And then do you just screw that? Focus face. That's what you did? You just pull it off, or you didn't watch that far?
It pops off. So.
Why is nothing as
simple?
Yeah, nothing is ever simple as it's seen in a video.
And if it was simple, you wouldn't have to pay people to do it.
True too. Okay, so apparently you push it in and it's supposed to pop off. Pop off. Let's see. Not happening. Tishy. Tired.
Take that off me, please.
Jesus Christ. Why are you so complicated? Oh my gosh.
I might have to go with someone else.
What happened? What are you looking for?
I might have to watch something else.
Be careful. Was it turned a certain way before it clicks off? I tell you, put it on his made it into it. Oh yeah, guys, so to tell you what's been happening with the car is that it has this like jerking motion that it's been doing. Every time like I turn the car on and start driving, it starts jerking really badly, like it's about to, like the engine is about to fall out. So because of that, we change 4 ignition coils and then the spark plugs. And guys, those ignition coils are not cheap. It's super expensive. It's like $80-something a piece.
Don't be cordial. It's $90 a piece.
Oh, see, don't be cordial. It's $90 a piece. And then the spark plug added onto that. So, yeah. And then we had to buy this. Now, we got this at a good deal. As I mentioned, this thing runs to about $1,300 to $1,500 depending on where you're going, but we got it at a great price, so I ain't tripping. I feel blessed all the same. Now we're gonna get this baby up and running because the kids missed, what was it, a day of school or 2 days of school? 1 day because of the car, I think, and another day because Jaden was having some issues plus the car, and I was like, I ain't gonna be stressed today. Not today, any other day but today. So yeah, I end up coming back home. So they'll miss like maybe 2 days or 1 day of school this week. I can't remember which it is. But yeah. And I've had my mom pick up Zay from school Friday. And Babe had came home 1 day early to pick up Jaden from school. And I don't remember. Who picked up Jaden from school yesterday? You did? Oh yeah. Yesterday was Friday, right? We did? I don't remember going for him. Oh, I guess we did. I completely forgot. I guess we. Oh yeah. We made it work. We made it work. My hands smell like rubber mixed with gasoline. I don't like gasoline smell, but I love the smell of rubber. And it's like heightened the smell of rubber. So I love the smell of rubber. I love the smell of tire burning. Okay, maybe I should stop smelling it so much. I got a baby inside of me. I gotta be careful. Yeah. Even if I like the smell, it might be harmful. I don't think this is brand new, but it doesn't look old. It just doesn't look 100% brand new. And then we got to be extremely careful with, or should I say, he has to be extremely careful with putting this in because it can cause fire. Apparently, if you put it in wrong, it can cause your car to blow up. That would be another problem because I only got like PIP on this car. It's not covered because insurance in Florida is ridiculous. Okay, $200 and something a month, and we only have PIP. So yeah, Florida sucks. Don't come. Stay away. If you're outside of Florida, stay away. It sucks here. And that's it. So I will vlog or update you guys whenever he get it in. But right now, I'm gonna say peace to the Middle East. Ooh.
Pull it. Stop.
No.
Stop. Push it in. Pull it. Alright, stop.
Look at the guy. I went to go get me some Kool-Aid jammer and some snack, and I come back and he got it. How did you get it off?
Got some gas down here.
How did you get it off?
It had to be, the thing had to be pushed down the entire time and then pulled off.
We tried that.
Yeah,
No?
It wouldn't come off any other way. All right.
Mm-hmm.
You see that? That piece of tissue? You need some bacon? They got ice rollers.
I know. But I needed something sweet. I'm lightheaded a little bit. So Babe just put in the new pressure injector thing, and car is still shaking. I don't know if you can see him from this angle shaking. So he's gonna get some more sparks plug and change them out again and see. I don't think so. I think it's something else now.
This is spark plugs, and one of the spark plugs is drenched. So I'm gonna change your gaskets today. Let's see what happens.
Okay, thank you. So stressful. Because I don't know if he's buy more spark plug again. You know, will it work this time? And guys, look, his ring fit me. Can you believe it? It won't fall off. It used to just like, it wouldn't stay on my hand before. Called baby fat. But yeah. Let's hope that. Can I get some of the water? You drank it all already. Oh, there's some water in there. Let's hope that we can get this done today.
While I go?
Sure. Oh yeah, because you need this, ain't it? Okay. I'm gonna go inside.
I gotta pack my tools.
I wanna walk upstairs. I wanna be in the car. It shakes too much. It's okay, it's okay. I don't want him to have to pack up his tool. It's okay, I'll stay in the car. He was like, no. It's gonna be too hot. As I get lightheaded a lot. I skipped like 2 days of my iron pills. Which is terrible. Anyways, see ya. So Rich just called me and told me to come take the car for a drive. So I'm gonna take it for a drive and see how it feels. I'm guessing this is a good sign. He's scrunching his face. Alright, let's see. Let's take the car for a ride. Okay, so far so good. Let me not be gentle with it, so step on it a little bit. Smooth. Feel like my girl all over again. Alright. We're gonna spin the block like Spinderella. Come on, phone, work with me. Stop falling. Phone keep falling. But so far I can tell just based on this that it's doing lovely. It's just doing lovely. Just the feel of it. You can just immediately feel the change. Oh, yes! I have my car back, you guys. Oh my God. I am so happy to have my car back. I am so happy. Because it's so frustrating when you don't have a car. I can't go shopping. The kids gotta get to school. You know, my doctor's appointment. I definitely need the car. And I got it back. You know. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Alright, y'all. So thank you guys for watching. Please remember, subscribe. Please, I beg of you, subscribe. Like and share, comment. Tell your friend, tell your friend about me, to tell another friend about me, to tell another friend about me. I've been on YouTube for quite a while, and we haven't gotten successful yet, but I know the best things in life take time. So stay tuned for more videos, as I will be giving you that. Especially the good gems. I will be giving you all of my gems. So thank you guys again for watching. Peace out.